Welcome to today's class. So last 2 days I am explained the fundamental definition of trigonometry, the domain and the ranges of trigonometry and the trigonometric identities that I explained. So now today's class I am going to explain the trigonometric ratios of negative angles. Okay now. So in our classes generally students you might have learned that so sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta, cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta, y minus will come out of sine theta. So all those things I will explain. So before starting this trigonometric ratio of negative angles, first of all what is negative angle? First learn that what is negative angle. Negative angle. So let us take this x-axis and our vertical line is y-axis. Okay. Now this is as I already told you, the angle means union of two rays. Angle means union of two rays. So let us take one ray and another one is this. So this is a OP and a OQ. OQ is a terminal side. We call it as a terminal side. OP is initial side. So in a standard form, what the standard form of an angle means, let us consider the initial side coincides with the x-axis and the terminal side rotates with respect to the origin. With respect to the origin. Okay now. So when you are saying this it is rotating means definitely there will be two types of rotations. One is clockwise rotation, another one is anti-clockwise direction. That means if it is rotates in an anti-clockwise direction, that means in this way, that means anti-clockwise direction, then the angle is treated as positive angle. That means what? So this is 30 degrees. If it is come here, this is 60 degrees, and if it is comes here 90 degrees. If it is comes here some 120 degrees like this, positive angle. If the terminal side rotates in clockwise direction means this way. So this the angle is formed is called negative angle. Okay now. So that means what? If it is comes here, this is minus 30 degrees. So this is a minus 60 degrees. And if it is a terminal side is it here, this is minus 90 degrees. If it comes here, terminal side okay. So this is 130 degrees, of course minus. The sign minus, the symbol, the sign minus indicates that the terminal side is rotating in clockwise direction. The angle measured is negative. Okay now, that's why to differentiate the to clarify that. So one is clockwise direction, another one is anti-clockwise direction, another one is clockwise direction. If the terminal side rotates in clockwise direction, so the angle treated as negative angle. If the terminal side rotates in a anti-clockwise direction, the angle treated as positive angle. So I hope that you understand this what is meant by negative angle. Okay now. Now we are going to see that what is the trigonometric ratios of negative angle. What that means what? Sine of 30 degrees is how much? Sine of minus 30 degrees is how much? Understand? What about cos of minus 120 degrees? What about cos of 120 degrees? If they are negative angle, what is any difference is there? Why it will comes minus sine 30? Why won't it come cos 120 here? Minus it not coming outside here. Here minus is coming outside. Why it is coming outside? So that proof I am going to explain theoretically. Okay now? So let us start our proof. Let us see the trigonometric ratios of negative angles. First of all, I will define what is a trigonometric ratios of positive angle, that is sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. Okay, so I already in yesterday's class I told about sine theta. What is the definition of sine theta? The y coordinate, not x coordinate. Please remember y coordinate to the radius of the circle. Y coordinate to the radius of the circle. Y by r, right? Y by r. What is cos theta? Cos theta is nothing but x coordinate and r. The ratio of the x coordinate to the radius of the circle is defined as cos theta. This is x by r. Of course, tan theta is, it is independent of radius of the circle, that is y upon x. This is a y upon x. Obviously, they are the reciprocal. So this is a cosecant theta is equal to r by y. Secant theta is equal to r by x. cot theta is equal to x by y. So, these are the trigonometric ratios of positive angle. Okay now. So, now I am going to explain about the trigonometric ratios of negative angle. Now, what is sine of minus theta? What is sine of minus theta? See here, minus theta is there. This minus theta is formed about this terminal side OP, right? So, according to the definition, what is that? Y coordinate, x coordinate is x, y coordinate is negative minus y. Since it lies in the fourth quadrant, y is negative. So, minus y upon r. So, this is equal to minus y upon r. That is y coordinate to the radius of the circle. That is defined as sine. Okay. Right. So, this is equal to minus, as it is I will write down. What is y by r value? What is y by r value? Y upon r value is nothing but sine theta. So, this is equal to sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Okay, now right. Now, see that cos of minus theta. Cos of minus theta. So, according to the definition, what is the definition of cos theta? X coordinate to the hypotenuse, x coordinate to the radius of the circle, that is x by r. That is x by r. Okay now. So, therefore, cos theta is equal to x by r. Here also x by r in place of x by r. Can I write down cos theta? Therefore, cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. Right. What about tan of minus theta? Tan of minus theta. Okay now. So, here already we told tan of minus theta means it is independent of radius of the circle. Y coordinate to the x coordinate minus y by x. Minus y by x. So, this is nothing but minus, what is the value of y by x? Y by x means tan theta. So, this is equal to tan theta. Okay now. So, very nice. So, therefore, cosecant of minus theta. Cosecant of minus theta is means what? It is a reciprocal of secant of minus theta. That is equal to minus r by y. That is minus cosecant theta. So, secant of minus theta. It is the reciprocal of x by r, that is r by x. So, your r by x nothing but secant theta. So, this is equal to cot of minus theta is equal to, cot of minus theta means what? X by y. It is independent of the radius of the circle, that is y by x, that is equal to, sorry, x by y. This is equal to cot theta. So cot of minus theta is equal to, so this is equal to cot of minus theta. Cot of minus theta means what here? So, here what is the cot of minus theta? So, it is a reverse, it will come. So, this is equal to minus x by y, that is minus cot theta. Understand? So, from this what do you observe? What do you observe? Except cos theta and secant theta. Except cos theta and secant theta, the minus means minus 1 will come. For cos theta and secant theta, minus won't come. Understand this? So, this is the proofs of trigonometric ratios of negative angles. Okay now. Now, next what we are going to see is, so you come across what about the trigonometric ratios of quadrant angles. What is meant by quadrant angles means what? 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, again 360 degrees. Okay now. So, like that the terminal side rotates. What is about sine of 90 plus theta? What about sine of 90 degrees plus theta? What about cosecant of 270 plus theta? How they will calculate? All those things I am going to explain. First, before explaining that diagram, so let us consider a right angle triangle. Let us take a right angle triangle. Okay now. So, in this right angle triangle, so let this be angle ABC. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Now, let it the angle be theta. That means angle C is theta. Then obviously, this will be 90 degrees minus theta. Why? Because the sum of these two angles, angle A plus angle C, should be 90 degrees. Let us take this hypotenuse is r, opposite side is y, adjacent side is x, just like this only. So this is the right angle triangle. So this is the right angle triangle. So this is the x value and it is y value. Same diagram I wrote here. Same diagram I wrote here. Now from this, what is sine theta? Sine theta is nothing but, so from sine theta, y by r. By definition is y upon r. What is cos theta? X upon r. What is tan theta? Y upon x. Okay. So these are the three fundamental trigonometric ratios. Now I am going to see here, what about sine 90 degrees minus theta? Sine 90 degrees minus theta means what? Opposite side of 90 degrees minus theta. What is that 90 degrees minus theta? Opposite side x upon what is r? R. Hypotenuse is r. So your x by r is nothing but cos theta. So therefore this is cos theta. From this, what can you say? Sine of 90 degrees minus theta is equal to cos theta. Now I am going to explain cos of 90 minus theta. Cos of 90 minus theta means what? Adjacent side of theta, 90 minus theta, that means y upon r. Y upon r. What is y upon r? So, cos theta is equal to y upon r. So, what is your y upon r? That is sin theta. So, this is sin theta. So, therefore, cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. What about tan of 90 minus 90 degrees minus theta? That is tan of 90 degrees minus theta means what? Opposite side by adjacent side. That is x by y. X by y. So, what is your x by y? So, from this cot theta is equal to x by y. Cot theta is equal to x by y. Therefore, this is equal to cot theta. So, from this what can you say? So, therefore, sin of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos of 90 degrees minus theta is equal to sin theta. Tan of 90 degrees minus theta is equal to cot theta. Okay. So, I hope that you understand these are trigonometric ratios of acute angles. Then, what about if it is sin of 90 plus theta? 90 plus theta, if it is sin of 180 minus theta, if those values are there, then how to prove that we are going to see here. Dear students, now I am going to explain the values of sin of 90 degrees plus theta, cos of 90 degrees plus theta, tan of 90 degrees plus theta value I am going to write. I am going to find out. So, what is sin of 90 degrees plus theta? Means sin of 90 degrees minus of minus theta. Can I write down? Sin of 90 degrees minus of minus theta. Can I write down? Yes, I can write down. Just now I told sin of 90 minus theta. Just now we explained what is sin of 90 minus theta. So, already we know that sin of 90 degrees minus theta is equal to cos theta. Whatever may be the theta, the same theta will come. This is equal to cos of minus theta. Cos of minus theta. So, in today's class, first class I explained what is cos of minus theta means cos theta. That means sin of 90 plus theta is equal to cos theta. Understand this. Second one, cos of 90 plus theta is equal to how much? So, this is cos of 90 degrees minus of minus theta. Can I write it as cos of 90 degrees minus of minus theta? Yes, I write down. So, what is cos of 90 minus theta? Just now I proved this is sin theta. This is sin theta. So, therefore, cos of 90 means this is sin theta. So, in the today's class only, in the first class only I explained sin of minus theta means minus sin theta. Minus sin theta. So, therefore, cos of 90 plus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Okay. Now, the next one, tan of 90 degrees plus theta. So, tan of 90 minus of minus theta, that is equal to, already now only we I explained that is tan of 90 degrees minus theta is equal to cot theta. So, tan of 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Now only I explain. So, this is equal to cot of minus theta, that is equal to minus cot theta. So, from this what can you say? So, sin of 90 plus theta is equal to cos theta. So cos of 90 plus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So tan of 90 plus theta is equal to minus cot theta. So if the angle is in the second quadrant, so these are the 90 plus theta, 90 plus theta, 90 plus theta. Okay, now we are going to see that in the second quadrant only, this is either 90 plus theta or 180 minus theta. That means less than 180 and more than 90. That is, if it is 180 minus theta, let us see what happens. Let us see the values of the sine of 180 minus theta, cos of 180 minus theta, tan of 180 minus theta, how to find out. Okay, so that means this angle is in which quadrant? Second quadrant. 180 minus theta will be in the second quadrant. Let us see what happens. So sine of 180 minus theta means sine of 90 plus 90 minus theta. Can I write it as 90 plus 90 is equal to 180. Okay. Just now we explained this is a sine of 90 plus theta. Sine of 90 plus theta is equal to cos theta. So I read just now I explained sine of 90 plus theta is equal to cos theta. So this we treat it as a theta. So this is equal to cos of 90 minus theta. Again cos of 90 minus theta, just now we proved that is equal to sin theta. So on the whole, sine of 180 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So similarly, cos of 180 minus theta means 90 plus 90 minus theta. You call it as theta. Just now we proved it. Cos of 90 plus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Okay, now, so this is equal to minus sin 90 minus theta. This is equal to minus cos theta. Similarly, tan of 180 minus theta, that is equal to tan of 90 plus 90 degrees minus theta. Tan of 90 degrees plus 90 minus theta is equal to 90 plus theta. That means we wrote cot of 90 minus theta. Again minus cot of 90 minus theta, we explained that is equal to tan theta minus tan theta. Therefore, cot of 180 minus theta is also, we explained 90. So similarly, we can prove 270 plus theta, 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta. So here what is the angle in the third quadrant? So this is a 180 plus theta, otherwise 270 minus theta. In the fourth quadrant, what is the angle? 270 degrees plus theta, otherwise 360 degrees minus theta. In the first quadrant, what is the angle? 90 degrees minus theta, otherwise 360 degrees plus theta. Understand? So like that, we can find out the trigonometric ratios of 180 plus theta. Allied angles. Allied angles means 180 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 1 plus theta. All those things we are going to see. So that is called allied angles. 360 plus theta, 360 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 180 minus theta. So like that we can prove it. Okay, now we are going to see that trigonometric ratios of quadrant angles. This is the quadrant angles means already I proved. That is I already explained 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 360 degrees. Okay, so we are going to see what is sine 0, cos 0, tan 0, cosecant 0, cot 0, that I am going to explain. And what is sine 90, cos 90, tan 90, that also I am going to explain. Dear students, let us see the trigonometric ratios of quadrant angles. So first of all, I am taking 0 degrees. So what is sine 0? So everybody will say that sine 0 is 0. Sine 0 degrees is 0. How? What is that? See here, if theta value is 0, what happens you see here? So that means if it will come, that is decreasing. So if we observe, what do you observe here? So that means a px comma y, that point is there. No, that point should coincide with the x-axis. That should lie on the x-axis. That lie should lie on x-axis means what? X coordinate is x, y coordinate is 0. That means px comma 0. If px comma 0 is there, then the theta, this angle will become 0 degrees. And one more thing that you have to observe is, here r value and y value both will coincide. R value, y value both will coincide. That's all. See here, if it is go on decreasing, when the point P comes and lies on the positive x-axis, then r value, y value becomes equal and x is equal to 0. That will happen. X value will become 0 and x r is equal to y will happen. Now, according to the definition, sine 0 means what? Y coordinate upon r, that is equal to y by sine 0 degrees means what? Y by r. So, what is y value? 0. 0 by r. It is r. Why? Because r is not equal to 0. R is a finite value. Therefore, 0 by r is equal to 0. Okay now. Now, what is cos 0? Cos 0 means what? According to the definition, x by r. Here, x by r. That means what? X value is sin theta is equal to y by r. Cos 0 is equal to x by r. So, what is our x value? X value is equal to x value. What is the x value here? X value is equal to, of course, sorry, here y value will become 0. Y is equal to 0. There y is equal to 0. X will become x is equal to r. So, this is a x is equal to r. So, if you observe x is equal to r, both will equal means cos 0 is equal to 1. Okay, now next thing. What is tan 0? Tan 0. Tan 0 means what? According to the definition, it is independent of r, y by x. That is y by x. Already what is y value? 0. By x is any finite value. So, this is the length, this is x value, any finite, it is not, it never be equal to 0, that is why 0. Therefore, so like that we prove that sin 0 is equal to 0, cos 0 is equal to 1, tan 0 is equal to 0. Okay, na? So, let us see the trigonometric ratios of 90 degrees. Dear students, let us see that when trigonometric ratios, when theta is equal to 90 degrees. Theta is equal to 90 degrees means what? So, this is your terminal side OP. OP is perpendicular to x-axis. Then when OP, so this is a OP is there, no. If OP is perpendicular, then what happens you see here? So, here the x coordinate is 0, x coordinate is 0 and this r value, y value will coincide. That means if it comes here, that means if you come see here, this is r value and it is this is r value and it is value, both will become equal. So, therefore, now what is sin 90 degrees? Sin 90 degrees means what? According to the definition, y by r, that is equal to y by r. Okay, now. So, y by r means what? Y value, r value both are same. That's why we can cancel, this value is 1. Okay, now what is cos 90 degrees? Cos 90 degrees. So, cos 90 degrees means x by r. What is x value? 0. 0 by r, that is equal to 0. What is tan 90 degrees? See here, this is important. Tan 90 degrees means y upon x, according to the definition, y upon x. Y upon 0. Here x value is becomes 0. Therefore, so the division with 0 is not defined in the real numbers. That's why it is not defined. So, that's why tan theta, tan 90 degrees is also not defined. So, not only tan 90, so odd multiples of 90. So, pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, all those things are not defined. Okay, now, right. So, let us see the trigonometric ratios of 180 degrees. Dear students, let us see the trigonometric ratios of theta is equal to 180 degrees. So, therefore, tan of 180 degrees is equal to, first sine. Sine of 180 degrees. So, as per the definition of sine, so when 180 degrees, what happens you see here? That means if theta is equal to 180 degrees, therefore, the point P lies on the negative x-axis. That means the point here it is minus x comma 0. And one more thing what happens you see here, if it is rotates, no, this x r value, so this x and y r value both will coincide. Both will coincide. X value, r value will become coincident and y value becomes 0. Okay, na? Right. Now see here, sine 180 degrees means what? Definition of y by r. Y by r. Y value is already 0 by r, that is equal to 0. Okay now. So what about cos 180 degrees? 180 degrees definition is what? X by r. X by r. X by r. Already x by r, already x value is here minus x will come. Actual definition is minus x by r. Minus x by r. That is equal to minus, see here, minus x by r. Minus x by r, and one more thing, x is equal to r, that is equal to, both will get cancelled, minus 1 will come. So cos 180 degrees value is minus 1. Tan 180 degrees, again, tan 180 degrees means what? So this is equal to y by x, that is equal to 0 by minus x, this is equal to 0. Okay na? So like that we can find out 270 degrees and 360 degrees angles are also we can find out. So take it as a homework and you try to solve it. So when the 270 degrees means what? There's a p value comes here and it becomes, now the p value comes here. So the point P will become, so what happens on y axis? This is 0 comma minus y. So this is a x is equal to 0 and y is equal to r. Like that you will find out. Again 360 degrees also you find it. Okay na? So dear students, I hope that you enjoyed today's class. In tomorrow's class, I will explain some more fundamental concept like period and periodicity of all trigonometric functions, and some more problems are also I will discuss. I hope that you enjoyed today's class. Let us see in the next class. Okay. Until then, all the best.